there's a difference between wearing something and making it. This isn't just a watch. It's something I assembled piece by piece with my own hands. This is the DIY Watch Club Mosel Skeleton. And it didn't arrive ready to wear. It arrived in parts, with tools, instructions, and the promise of a process. I put together the case, set the hands, fit the crown, attached the strap. Every part found its place because I put it there. And now it beats, steady and almost silent. The movement ticks beneath the sapphire, powered by motion and held together by the care that built it. The strap was the final touch. Brushed metal, solid links, simple, clean, fitted by hand. When I look at it now, surrounded by the tools that brought it to life, I see more than a finished product. I see the steps, the mistakes, the adjustments, and the moment it clicked into place. The build taught me patience. It made time feel real, something measured not just in minutes, but in motion, in focus, in effort. And now, it's done. The Mosel Skeleton sits quietly in the sun, alive, precise, and personal. Not just a watch I wear, it's a watch I made.